If budgeting has ever felt confusing, you are not alone. In 2025, smart planning tools and proven methods are making it easier than ever to stay on track. Hi, I'm Andrew from Golden Age Financial. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about simple monthly budgets that actually work. No gimmicks, just clear steps to help you spend and save with confidence. As of 2025, more adults over 55 are retiring with multiple income sources. A clear monthly budget helps make sense of it all. Let's start by breaking down what the rule actually means and how it is structured. Add up your reliable income streams. That might include Social Security, pensions, annuities, or part-time work. Your needs include things like housing, food, insurance, and transportation. Basically, what you must pay to live safely and comfortably. Make sure to calculate your income after taxes and health insurance premiums are accounted for. This chart shows common income sources for retirees as of 2025 and how often they're used. Having a clear total helps you avoid overspending and plan ahead with confidence. Here's a simple checklist to help you gather your income numbers. Now that you know your income, let's break down your expenses into two helpful categories. Essential expenses are needs. These include housing, food, healthcare, and insurance. Flexible expenses are wants. That means travel, hobbies, and dining out. This chart shows a sample breakdown of monthly expenses for a retired couple. Some flexible expenses can be reduced in tight months, but essential bills stay consistent. This method helps bring clarity to your spending without guilt or confusion. Here's a handy way to group expenses before you start budgeting. There are many ways to budget, but the best method is the one you'll actually use. The envelope system is great if you prefer cash and visual limits. A digital tracker like a spreadsheet works well if you're comfortable using devices. Apps like Good Budget and YNAB are helpful if you like tech, but they're optional. This graph shows how new retirement age budgeters ranked popular tools in 2025. Choose one system and try it for 30 days. Tweak it as needed. Here's a list of methods people often choose and why. Let's talk about balancing routine with flexibility in your monthly budget. Set a regular check-in day each week to quickly review your spending. Use a basic log to track any surprise expenses so you can adjust the next month. Prepare for occasional overages by having a buffer in your flexible category. Budgeting gets easier the more you practice. Try to make it a routine, not a chore. Here are a few ways to stay consistent all year. To finish, let's talk about keeping your budget simple enough to stick with long term. Avoid overly detailed categories at the start. Simpler is better when building momentum. Track only what matters. You don't need to account for every single receipt unless it helps you. Review your full budget quarterly. That keeps it relevant without feeling like a chore. Here are some helpful habits to keep your budget easy over time. These strategies are helpful, but your personal situation is unique. For individual decisions, always speak with a qualified financial advisor or planner. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Let us know in the comments what budget tools or methods have worked for you. Your tips can help others in the community. And if you found this video helpful, please follow Golden Age Financial for more content made just for you.